In this video, I'm going to be talking about one of the most valuable rules in trading that is keeping a lot of you back from reaching true profitability whilst at the charts. Now, this is one thing that I never hear people talk about, despite it being such a critical rule when perfecting your mindset to become a good trader. And I know a lot of people don't care to hear about mindset videos, whether they just think they have a bulletproof psychology off the rip, or they just think they don't need it for whatever reason. But this video isn't for them. This video is for the real traders who I know are willing to put in the work. And trust me, you're going to want to hear this because this could actually change your trading forever. So I'm sure you've all heard whatever trader you look up to say something along the lines of don't overcomplicate trading or don't overthink trading. However, these points are usually left here with no further elaboration or extended point. Now, don't get me wrong, these are completely correct. However, I truly believe that in order to become a consistently profitable trader in the long term, you need to take it a step further and almost completely take trading off your mind as a whole, to an extent. Now stay with me here, because what I've just said may just sound dumb or just make no sense in general, but from personal experience, as well as knowing a bunch of profitable traders that have been in the game for a while, this has been a recurring theme to the success of all of them. So what do I really mean by this? Now, of course, you don't want to completely disregard trading from your brain as a whole, because at that point, you're just not putting in the work. You need to find a middle ground where you can improve as a trader, be active to take your trades, of course, and you can continue to have the motivation and drive to become a consistently profitable trader, whilst also allowing yourself to stay relaxed and not rush the journey, and enabling yourself to get into a mindset where you're not thinking about trading outside of when you're at the charts, whether that's backtesting or in the live markets. And of course, I'll get into the benefits of this. However, I want to quickly talk about how this changed my trading completely. So in all honesty, this came on accident, because I'd never heard anybody talk about this as something that traders should need to know, or just in general, I've never heard it be talked about as important in the slightest. I'd only talked about it to other profitable traders after I'd realized the change, in which they all agreed that it was a turning point in their trading as well. And this came along for me because I started having fun. Once again, stay with me. But when I tell you I had been sitting in my room, but doing nothing but just revising FOREX, looking at different ways to improve my strategy, watching videos constantly, backtesting all day for I don't even want to say how long. I'm telling you, it was draining me, and I didn't even realize at the time, nor did I realize how it was actually affecting my trading. However, the last few months, I've simply been going out, seeing my friends, even playing games again, despite it being something I stopped because I just thought it was an unhealthy habit. But in reality, it actually ended up helping me, which is weird. Now, obviously, this isn't me saying to go out and get any dumb habits, like just go out partying every day, but like personally, that's not for me anyway, so I guess lucky me. But just try relax a little. Like, just don't constantly think about trading. I used to stay out for hours longer than I planned because literally all I could think about at night is, oh, tomorrow I'm gonna backtest this. Today I should have done that. If I win tomorrow, then what am I gonna do? Like, it's pointless. And at the time, I'd literally mess with my mate being like, bro, it's kind of sick how addicted I am to trading because like I'm actually fully locked on this. And I thought it could not be bad for me in the slightest. Like, I'm putting in as much work as I physically could, so how could I fail? And to be fair, I think this is something that new traders should go through. It gets you motivated, you get to learn strategies quickly, even if it's not very well. And hopefully you can learn who you should and should not learn from. However, once you're at a point in your trading where you have a strategy that has a proven profitable equity curve, that is tough to say, but you also know how to trade it well, you've proven it yourself through backtesting and in live markets, and you have your own trading plan, you can follow it, just chill. Like, generally chill out a bit, you feel me? You've done your work, you know everything you need to know, and now it's just a matter of time. I'm now at a point where all I do that's trading related is I get up in the morning, do my morning analysis, check it next to RD's daily forecast in the Discord, just because, you know, it's good confirmation. See if I'm missing anything or if I have any like below ideal quality setups. And I'll set my alerts, wait for my setups to tap, and take them if they give my entry. That's literally it. I'm checking the charts every few hours. Like, my mind is just not on trading unless I'm at the charts, of course. I also do a few hours of backtesting per week. But yeah, I literally will just set my take profit, my stop loss, I'll let them get hit, just whichever one it wants to go to. I don't look at the charts whilst I'm in a trade because it won't change anything. I just let it run. And because of this, I've had basically no psychological issues. I've had no over risking issues, over trading issues, because I'm just not thinking about it. If a trade loses now, I just move on to the next. Sometimes I won't even know if a trade has won or lost until a few hours later because it does not matter. I know my strategy works. I'm not going to change anything because one setup loses or if I go on a losing streak even. I know my strategy works, so why would I? I've seen a few YouTubers, let's say, just in this scene, that as soon as their strategy starts going to shit, they just kind of like start changing things up. They'll start trading new pairs that they've never even back tested. I'm not about to throw shade at anybody, but it's not the thing to do. And these are the people that are influencing other people on how to trade. Like, whether my trade wins or loses, I'm moving on to the next setup. I'm doing the same thing over and over again because I don't even need to have a second thought about it anymore. Now, this is very strange for me because I generally had no intention of like trying to get trading off my mind. My whole thing was kind of just like, I am locked in on trading. I don't want to think about anything else. This is my shit. And then literally I started having a little bit of a break. Some friends I hadn't seen in a while kind of invited me out. I was like, sure. Started seeing them a little bit more, started playing games. And even though a lot of the time it feels like I'm not doing enough, like I feel like I could be doing something way more productive, it actually has helped me like become a better trader, because before, all I could think about is trading. So if a trade loses, I'm stressing. If a trade wins, I'm like, it's made my whole day. Now, you just gotta get rid of the emotions. Genuinely. Trade like a robot. That's what I'm trying to do. Take these setups, let it win or lose, move on to the next. There's nothing else to it, really. And I thought this was an important video to make because I have a lot of people messaging me all the time saying they're back testing like 10 hours a day. Something's just not working out for them. They're taking this many setups. They're asking so many questions. And a lot of these people have been trading for even longer than me. And it's like, just chill out. Don't stress about it. You have all the time in the world. Once you know your strategy, once you know how trading works, it is really just slow and steady wins the race. You're not going to get there quickly by rushing it. All you're doing is slowing it down. And basically, the moral of the story of this video is, as a trader, stop thinking about trading so much. It sounds so dumb, but like, it is actually just such a game changer to just take it off your mind and start trading like a robot. It's another reason I switched to the 30-minute charts as well. The 5-minute, I had to be so active on there. Like, I couldn't really not think about trading. Even my trades that I was looking at, I had to watch pretty much, or I could walk away for 10 minutes and it might have hit. And the guy that I was influenced by, he'd never take profits or stop losses. Hey, I could not trade like a robot like that. There's so much human error to be had. That is literally just asking your psychology to just fuck up at any point. But yeah, anyway, I think this is probably a shorter video than usual. I'm about to go on holiday in a few days. I'll try to get like a week in the life video or some shit, or some kind of video out there showing you how I'm going to be trading whilst I'm out in Turkey. Doesn't that just sound sick? But yeah, nothing's going to be changing with my trading. I'm going to get this video out for you boys. I know this is going to help somebody. And yeah, I wish you all a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.